Hey guys, I'm Chris and I fix things. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove carpet over hardwood. We just bought a new house and we were told that there was hardwood underneath our carpet in our office. So a good way to check is if you go in the closet in a place that's hard to see, you can remove a little bit of carpet, and if you can see hardwood underneath, you're in luck. If not, you may have to remove it and put in hardwood later on. Let's go. In this part of the video, I'll show you how to remove the tack strips from the edge of the room. They're installed by the edge of the room or by any doorways in order to keep the carpet in place. These tack strips have a lot of nails on one side and a few on the other in order to mount it to the floor. I'd recommend using gloves because these tack strips can get pretty sharp. To remove these, I use the claw hammer and a pry bar. A good tip for those hard to remove nails: use vice grips to provide a base for your hammer, and then pull it right out. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I added a list of all the tools I use in the description below. If you have any questions or any ideas of how I can do anything better in the future, feel free to let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe to watch more videos like this in the future. Signing off for now. See ya.